So, hello students, welcome to our 8th class maths class. So, we are continuing our chapter algebraic expressions. So, we completed 3 classes in this and we studied various definitions and concepts, and in the last class we started different operations. So, different operations means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are the 4 fundamental operations in the mathematics. So first operation we studied how to add the 2 algebraic expressions that I explained. So I gave many examples. I hope you may be clear with that concept, how to add the algebraic expressions. Now I am going to explain, in today's class I am going to explain how to subtract one expression, second expression. If 2 algebraic expressions are given, so how to subtract one algebraic expression from the other. See here, subtraction of algebraic expressions. Subtraction of algebraic expressions. So I am writing one question. Subtract 5xy from 7xy. Subtract 5xy from 7xy. Understand the meaning. So don't get confusion. Subtraction means minus, you know, minus. So this minus this or this minus this, that you have to understand. This minus this or this minus this, the word itself. See here, subtract this from this. So that means from this you have to subtract this. So that we will get the first solution. Subtract this from this. So that means 7xy is written first minus 5xy. Subtraction means add, means we write plus. Yesterday we added some algebraic expressions. In that I kept plus symbol because addition means plus. Subtraction means minus. So which we have to write first? So the subtraction is, this is say first term and second term. First minus second or second minus first. That you can understand by reading the question. So subtract this from this. From this you have to subtract this. That you have to understand. How to subtract? Very simple. 7 apples, from that 5 apples are removed. Subtracted. Taken out. From 7 apples, if 5 apples are removed, 2 apples will remain. 7 apples, from that 5 apples are removed, 2 apples will remain. So these are, that means we can calculate only with apple, similar like terms. Here also first you check whether these are like terms or not, because addition or subtraction of algebraic expressions is possible only if they are like terms. So addition of 2 monomials or subtraction of 2 monomials is possible only if they are like terms. So this is a monomial and this is a monomial. To subtract, first check whether they are like terms or not. xy, xy, x power 1, y power 1, x power 1, y power 1. Same. So these are the like terms, no doubt we can subtract. Same, addition and subtraction both are similar, same concept. Instead of plus we write minus here, concept is same. So here also, like addition, I will take xy common. This is xy, this is xy, xy is common. 7 remains, minus 5 remains. 7 minus 5, xy is common. 7 minus 5 is 2. Like this. See here. Subtract minus 3x square y from 7x square y. Subtract this from this. So which should be written first? This. From this we have to subtract this. So write down that first. 7x square y, subtract means minus. Second term minus. What we should read? First term. First term is what? minus 3x square y. See, second term I wrote here, first term I wrote same, first term including its sign minus 3, it is not only 3x square y. It is not 3x square y, it is minus 3x square y. I wrote as it is. Don't confuse with the signs. First term as it is I wrote. But why I am writing this another minus here? Because subtraction means we have to put minus between the two terms. Subtraction means minus. Subtraction means we kept minus. This minus is because of the already minus is there for this term. The term itself is having minus. Okay, now I am opening the brackets. This is the first bracket, this is the second term. First term say minus into minus plus. Minus into minus plus x square. Minus into minus plus. If we are subtracting the second algebraic expression, all the signs will change. If it is minus, it will become plus because all the signs are multiplied with minus. So minus into minus plus. Suppose if it is a plus term, minus into plus minus. Like that all the signs will change. So this minus will become plus. This concept is minus into minus plus. These are like terms or not, you check. xy, xy, same. X power 2, x power 2, y power 1, y power 1. So these are like terms. Say take x square y common. X square y common, this is 7 remains, this is 3 remains, total 10. This is the subtraction of algebraic expressions. Next. Another example. Now, subtract this from this. So, which term we have to write first? Second term. That should be done first. 4xy minus 3x square, this is the second term, minus second expression minus this first expression. Subtraction. See, subtraction means write first two brackets. In the first bracket, write down the term minus, second bracket, write down another term which should be subtracted. So here we have to subtract this from that. So that is written here and this is written. Now, I will open the brackets. 4xy minus 3x square minus into plus minus. Minus into, there is no, this is plus only. Minus into plus minus. Minus into plus minus. Minus into plus is minus. Minus into plus minus. Minus into plus minus. Minus into minus is plus. Minus into plus is minus. That means nothing but all the signs of the second expression will change. When you are subtracting, the second expression signs will change. Originally it is 2x plus 2x square, it will become minus 2x square. It is plus 3xy, it will become minus 3xy. When we are subtracting, all the signs of this inside bracket, this bracket, second bracket will change. This plus will become minus, plus will become minus. Or in another way, minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus. Now, what are the like terms? xy are like terms. These are the like terms. So, we can add or subtract only these like terms. So, take xy common. xy common. xy common. What is left here? 4. If we take xy common, what is left here? Minus 3. Next. What is other term? X square term is there. X square term, x square. These are like terms. So addition or subtraction is possible only for the like terms. So take these two. X square common. X square common. minus 3, minus 2, or you can take minus also common. Minus also you can take common, or if you take only x square common, this is minus 3 will remain, minus 2 will remain. Be careful with the signs, addition, minus plus symbols. 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 3, 1. What is minus 3 minus 2? Minus 5. Minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. 1 into xy is xy only. We don't write 1xy like that. Simply xy means 1xy only. If it is xy means 1xy only. Plus into minus, minus 5x square. I opened the bracket. Plus into minus is minus 5x square. This is the answer. Now, I will give more complicated example. A bigger term. Plus, minus, all confusion like this. Like this. See here. Subtract this from this. That means it should be written first. Solution. 5x square minus 7xy minus 2y square is written here. From this, subtract this expression. 3y square minus 4xy minus 3x square. This is written first because from that we have to subtract this. Subtract this expression from this expression. So it will be written first and this will be written second. Subtraction means I wrote the complete expression in the first bracket, this complete expression in the second bracket. In between these two expressions, what sign I am writing? Minus. Because why I am writing minus? Because question is subtraction. If it is addition, we have to keep plus. Subtraction means minus. Now, 5x square minus 7. I am opening the brackets. So minus means all the signs will change. If it is a plus, it will become minus. If it is minus, it will become plus. Signs will change. Then simply change the signs, or you can conclude like this. Minus into plus is minus. Minus into minus. Minus into minus plus. Minus into minus plus. Minus into minus plus. Now, like terms only we have to add. Mangoes are added with mangoes, bananas are added with bananas, apples are added with apples. Like that. We can't add banana, apple, row, both add means because it will remain same. 5 apples, 4 bananas cannot become 9 apples or 9 bananas. 5 apples, 4 bananas, if we add also, it will be 5 apples, 4 bananas only. So we can add only like terms. So what are the like terms? X square and x square terms are like terms. Add only x square terms. X square term is added with x square term. So x square is common. This is x square coefficient is 5 and another x square coefficient is 3. Okay. xy is added with xy. xy term added with xy term. Take xy common. xy common. See, we can take minus also common. But to avoid the confusion, always I am keeping plus only everywhere. So now if we take plus xy common means what is the coefficient? What is xy coefficient? Minus 7. Xy coefficient is not 7, it is minus 7. Plus xy coefficient is 4. Next, what are the other terms? Apples added, bananas happened, next mangoes. Mangoes means same like terms. So see here, 2y square like terms. Y square like terms. Y square like terms. So this is y square. So if we take y square common, -2, -3. -2 is here, -3 is here. -2, -3, y square is written outside. 5 plus 3, 8. What is 7? -7 plus 4? This is, both are not same symbols. This is minus symbol, this is plus symbol. So -7 plus 4 is 3. Minus is greater, so -3. If they have opposite symbols, plus and minus, we should not add. This don't write 7 plus 4, 11. Because this is minus, this is plus. So we cannot add. We have to subtract. So 7 minus 4 is 3. Which plus symbol greater or minus is greater? 7 is greater, so minus 3. 7 and 4 have plus and minus opposite signs, so we have to subtract. If both are same, plus 7 plus 4 will become plus 11. If both are minus also, we have to add. But if it is 1 plus and 1 minus, we have to subtract. 7 minus 4 is 3. So 7 is greater, so minus xy. -2 minus 3 is -5. -2 minus 3 is -5 because same signs we have to add minus a same. -2 minus 3 is -5. So 8x square plus into minus minus, plus into minus is minus, plus into minus is minus. Like this we can subtract the algebraic expression, one algebraic expression from another algebraic expression. The only confusion is plus to minus, plus into plus, minus into minus. If it is a one minus term, one plus term, how to simplify? Both are minus, how to simplify? If it is plus into minus, what we will get? Here also plus into minus, what we will get? So that confusion will be same, remain. So that confusion actually you studied in the lower classes. In 5th class, 6th class, 7th class, you studied all these operations. How to add numbers if it is having one plus symbol and another minus symbol, how to simplify it. And what is plus into plus, what is plus into minus, what is minus into minus. All these operations you studied. But once again I am explaining in each and every problem. I am clearly explaining about the confusion of these signs. Plus into minus is minus, plus into minus is minus. So here 7xy means xy is common. This is plus 4 same. This is minus 7 same. So 7 minus 4 is 3. Because this is minus symbol, this is plus symbol, we can't add. Don't write 11. So if both are plus, 7 plus 4, 11. Both are minus, like this we can add. But 1 plus 1 minus means we have to subtract. 7 minus 4 is 3. 7 is greater, minus number is greater. So both minus minus means same minus. So 2 plus 3, 5, minus will remain same. See, look at this problem. So this is about the subtraction of two algebraic expressions. In the yesterday's class, I explained how to add two algebraic expressions. In today's class, I clearly explained how to subtract the two algebraic expressions. I gave various examples. So, lot many examples I gave. I think it is very clear to all of you about how to add the algebraic expressions and how to subtract the algebraic expressions. So, in tomorrow's class, I will explain you how to multiply the two algebraic expressions. That we will study tomorrow. So let us conclude here. Thank you, students. So practice these problems, and even you can go through the textbooks, read all the examples, read all the definitions, and complete concept. You please go through the textbooks and practice some problems. Even I may send you the worksheets also. Thank you very much.